Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete your account with Pixverse AI. In order to do so, first off you're going to want to go to app.pixverse.ai, and once you're here, up at the top right hand corner you will find the account icon. If you select user info, you are not going to see any information here related to deleting your account. And searching through the website, I was unable to find any specific information related to deleting your account. In situations like this, usually what you want to do is you want to reach out directly to the admin. And if you look at the FAQ site, then you can see that there is a ability here to reach out to support by going to support@pixverse.ai. So that is my recommendation. If you're looking to delete your account, then contact support@pixverse.ai and request your account deletion. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment or like and subscribe for more helpful tips.